now let's talk about task templates and automatic tasks. Inside the three dots here, you can view your task templates. And now you've got a full list of all of your task templates. And remember, task templates have been renamed from automated tasks because now task templates can be truly set as automatic. And so those can be triggered events. You can see there's a couple here. Let's talk about how to set up those automatic tasks. So inside, I'm going to add a template. Maybe there's a scenario where I want something to always be triggered or always appear inside my task list without me manually have to go in there and adding it. Every time I meet a client, I want to be notified every 3 months to not forget about them. So I'm going to go in and add that template. So I'm going to add this task template. I could start from scratch and create custom ones, but first I'm going to see from a list here of what Reach has already created, these common templates. And there is a contact follow-up template. I'm going to click OK, and it's going to allow me to now edit that. So it's called contact follow-up. I could change this name if I wanted to. And it's related to, basically triggered by the client created date. And that works for me. The date that the client is or contact is entered into my Reach system. I could, if I wanted to, I could edit the offset here in terms of like, when is it due? I'm putting 0 days after the client has done. You could do it before or after. But I can also set, when do I want it to repeat? I want it to repeat every 3 months. You can edit that occurrence if you want. You can have an ending period. Maybe you only want it to repeat for 3 times during the life of that contact. Or you could set it to never or a specific date. I'm going to click OK. Reach may prompt you to just check mark this off, saying that, hey, we're going to apply this to all of your clients and contacts in your database. And then it's adding this task. Leave that. I'm going to click Save. And now I've created this contact follow-up task template. And it is set as automatic because it's triggered by client date entry. I'm only seeing it in my general tab now. You can see it's created 4 specific tasks for contacts that have just recently been added and obviously have a now task due. I could set up a view for that as well. Let's look what that looks like. I'm going to click these 3 dots, add a new view, and Reach has already created a template for me, client follow-up. And it's adding the tag client created date from that automatic task into this view. I'm going to click Save. And these are all the upcoming tasks that I have for individual people. Maybe this is a little daunting for some, so I could edit how much of a view that's showing me. Heading back up to Edit Current View. And I'm actually going to sort this by when the task is due so that it sorts chronologically. And I'm going to edit this window and maybe say that I only want to see, the next 15 days. I close that, click Save, and there we go. Now I have 4 people, 2 that are due today here for tasks. So that's automatic tasks and task views.